Your Excellency, I have the honor to invite Fiji's High Commissioner Designate for the independent state of Papua New Guinea, Mr. Jackson Bernard Nato Evans, to take the oath of allegiance and the oath of due execution of office.
I, Jackson Bernard Nato Evans, do swear that I will faithfully be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to the law. And I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, Jackson Bernard Nato Evans, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. I solemnly and sincerely promise to hold the office of the High Commissioner with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counselor, not to divulge any secret matter entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.